Today here it's quiet, but 2000 years ago it could be bloody. We are in the arena of Lutetia. 50 years before Christ, after the battle won by Caesar's troops, Romans and local people created here the city of Lutetia. A city inspired by Roman cities, a huge forum at the top of a hill, where more recently the Pantheon was built, public baths with an aqueduct to bring water, a big road going to Rome, a theatre, but also this amphitheater, built at the end of the 1st century, with a stage for theatrical performances and a round shape for gladiators' fights. 16,000 spectators could come here. At the fall of the Roman Empire, the place is left, the stones reused. Centuries later, the place is used occasionally for parties before being covered by ground and then forgotten. But during the renovation of Paris in the 19th century, some remains were rediscovered and partially destroyed. As a future street was about to destroy everything, a group opposed such a project with Victor Hugo. The project was abandoned and the site listed as a historic monument. Restored and partially rebuilt, the place is now a public square open to everyone, with people playing football, basketball or pétanque. You can get there from Rue Monge, between the metro stops Place Monge and Jussieu, or from the streets of Navarre or Arène. You want to learn more about Paris and its history? Try the surprising playful visit on onedayinparis.fr.